Hi, my name is Niall McKeever and I'm the founder of the Weekend University. This is just a short video to give you a better idea of what to expect from our upcoming IFS Camino experience taking place in October 2025. The experience will be led by the founder of Internal Family Systems, Dr. Richard Schwartz, and it's going to combine IFS workshops in the mornings along with breathtaking walks along the world-famous Camino de Santiago in the afternoons. The trip is specifically designed for high-impact leaders and creators who are interested in using IFS to create greater internal alignment so that they can positively impact more lives through their work. Attendees will include entrepreneurs, executives, best-selling authors, and broadcasters from a wide range of backgrounds. So, in addition to the benefits you'll get from doing the internal work, you're also likely to build deep connections with an incredible community of high-level leaders and creators along the way. I'll let Dr. Schwartz explain more from here.
Yeah, I'm Dick Schwartz. For the last 40 years, have been exploring this model of psychotherapy, which now is more than just a model of psychotherapy. It's kind of become a life practice for many people. It's called Internal Family Systems. I come from a family therapy background. You will learn a different way of understanding yourself and human beings. IFS represents in some ways radically different paradigm for understanding human beings, and one that just fosters a lot more inner compassion. My purpose is to help participants access this essence we call self, and then also begin to get to know and help their parts transform, parts that seem to be getting in their way in their lives, or parts that keep holding them back from shining in the way they'd like to. And there's a real absence of what I call self-leadership in the world these days. And it's not that hard to access if people are willing to go inside and do a little bit of this separating work from their parts. If we can bring that kind of self to larger systems, that things can change very quickly and counter the direction that things seem to be going now. Not only will people become more aware of what's happening inside of them, as you heal these inner wounds, these protective parts that are interfering in what you want to do in your life, makes not only for a more peaceful existence, but you're no longer encumbered by the burdens that these parts carry and the way they block your life. There's a kind of vibrating energy that runs in your body when you access self-leadership. So you can very quickly, as a leader, tell as you enter some kind of situation, how much am I in self? My guidance in the last year and a half or so has been to try to bring this more directly to the world, and I'm very excited to be doing it.
The experience will take place from the 5th to the 11th of October 2025. If you're interested in joining us, simply send an email to niall@theweekenduniversity.com and I'll send you the next steps for confirming your place. Thanks for taking the time to consider this invitation, and I hope to see you on the Camino in October.